So hey, this replacement remote control was a lifesaver. We had a malfunction with ours and we couldn't do anything with the TV. We even looked on the back all over it. There's no little controls to do anything. So we were a couple days without a remote control. Ordered it from Amazon. Boom, slang. All we did was open the package and hit the on button. We didn't have to do anything. The TV popped right on. I don't know if you guys will have the same experience, but man, things just hooked right up. We did nothing but hit the
Você?
We buy this, we lost a remote control, and yeah, it works perfect. You don't need installation. As soon as you turn it on, it works for your TV.